Eric Cornell and Carl William informed the first biosynergetic current made from each atom, rubidium. India's first and world's second 100% methanol fuel prototype truck was unveiled in Bengaluru. Lactitol is obtained by hydrogenation of lactose. In the process of cooking, food is slowly cooked heated on surface with respect to heat according to condition. Food at high temperature and air convention. Spilled roasting. The type medicine which copies natural messenger and activate receptor agonist. The medicine which is bound to receptor surface opposite its natural task is called antagonist. An Englishman named Michael Faraday discovered benzene in 1825. Generally, these are known as blood thinner, anticoagulant, a stone that can transform iron from base metal like into philosopher's stone. Percentage of oxygen in Al2SO4 356.1. Metal cannot be cut easily by knife. Aluminium, not a chemical covalent water treatment. Aluminum chloride. Chemical formula of aluminum nitride is AIN. Chemical formula for aluminum chloride is AlCl3. In photography, sodium thiosulfate is used because to remove undecomposed AgBr as complex silver phosphate. The substance used for artificial rain is silver iodide. Silver diodide turns grey in sunlight because decomposition of silver chloride into silver and chlorine by light. Silver chloride turns into silver and chlorine in presence of ultraviolet radiation. This is an example of photolytic electrocomposition reaction. It happens when aqueous silver nitrate is added to sodium chloride. White precipitate of silver chloride is produced. With the substance, silver react and turn black sulfur. The metal does not react with oxygen even at higher temperature is silver. The compound formed when Ag and Cl are combined, silver chloride. Two chemicals used black and white photography, AgCl and AgBr both. Used in nature as free element, silver. When silver chloride is kept in water, it becomes brown due to formation of silver metal. The metal is best conductor of electricity, silver. When silver bromide is kept in sunlight, bromine gas is formed. If weather is very humid, you must remove the emitted gas through a dry tube with CaCl2. When calcium oxide reacts with water, it forms caustic lime as product. Never found as free element in nature. Calcium reacts fragility with water to form slate lime, CaO. Chemical formula of gypsum, CaOSO4 2H2O. Following has a tetragonal crystal system, calcium sulfate. Plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture-proof container. Not a form of calcium carbonate, lime water. Neutralized to acidic soil, both peat and slate lime. Norwegian saltpeter is synonym for which of the following chemicals: calcium nitrate. Limestone is a sedimentary, mainly composed of calcium carbonate. Known as vitriol of clay, aluminium sulfate. Does not react with cold water but reacts with water vapor, aluminium. Electric power are made up of copper and aluminum both. Metal of future is aluminum. Eka aluminum, phosphide concrete is CO2O3.